Hello everyone, my name is Robert Greenstein, a partner at Greenstein and Milbauer, the attorneys behind 1-800-VICTIM2. So today we're going to talk about municipal hearings. You know, when you sue or bring a claim against a municipality, there are special requirements. One requirement is filing a notice of claim within 90 days of the date of the occurrence. A second requirement is attending a municipal hearing, commonly referred to as a 50H hearing because it's mandated by Section 50H of the General Municipal Law. Examples of municipalities where you're required to file a notice of claim and submit to a 50H hearing are cases against the City of New York, Department of Education, New York City Housing Authority, New York City Transit Authority, New York City Health and Hospitals Corporation. Those are municipalities where you have these special requirements. Now, the purpose of a 50H hearing is not so much to dispute the accident. This is really more so in the investigative stage of the case. It's required, but the purpose of the hearing is so that the municipality can gather information to do their investigation before a lawsuit is filed. So the questions are very basic. It could start out with basically background information, your name, address, where you live, how long you've lived there, who do you live with, date of birth, social security number, employment, things like that. And then they get into questions about the accident. Were you involved in an accident on a certain date, and what happened, and who was with you, and basically, the events leading up to the accident, and then the events immediately after the accident. In other words, were you hurt? Did you feel pain? Did you call the police? Did an ambulance come? Were you taken to a hospital? If you were taken to the hospital, what were your complaints? What type of treatment were you given? Did you go to a private doctor? Which private doctors? What were your complaints? What type of treatment was given? And then this finishes up with pretty much just how the accident has affected you. Whether you were able to go to work, maybe you were some of your recreational activities were limited. Maybe you need to spend a certain amount of time in your home or in bed. And that's pretty much, the general gist of the questions. The whole hearing, takes less than an hour. It usually takes about 30 minutes. And as far as where the hearing is held, it's usually held down at the offices of the municipality. And the parties present would be the claimant, which would be the injured person. Us as the claimant's attorney would be there. And as well as an attorney for the municipality. And then there would be a court reporter who takes down all the information spoken, transcribes the information. Sometimes there's actually a tape recorder, a recording device, and then the testimony is transcribed at a later date. So that's pretty much the story with a municipal hearing, when it's required and what it's all about. Certainly our clients, we attend the municipal hearings with the clients, and we prepare them for it in advance. They know what to expect. We understand that giving testimony under oath is not something that most people are accustomed to, and people get anxious about it, and that's 100% understandable. So what we try to do, besides calm our clients in advance and reduce their level of anxiousness, the best way to do that is to let them know what to expect. Once they know what to expect, they'll feel much more comfortable going into it, and it just become an easier process for them. And that's really the goal. We don't want clients to stress out about the various stages of litigation. We want to make the process as easy as possible from the beginning, and make our clients as comfortable as possible from the beginning. So if you're in an accident involving a municipality, give the attorneys at 1-800-VICTIM2 a call. That's 1-800-842-8462. Don't be a victim twice. Call 1-800-842-8462. Thank you.